Hi, I'm Kim, and yeah, happy birthday to me. I don't know what to do today, but yeah, napaka-sponty lang ng pagvi-video na ito. Just trying to feel myself, be more confident to go out and try to film outside na nakikita ko ng maraming tao. Until now, nagsistutter pa rin ako when I'm speaking in front of the camera or when I'm filming. So, maybe this one will help me to be more confident to talk to you guys like this, and I wanna do this more often. So my original plan is to shoot sa UP Diliman, but wala akong masilungan doon. Grabe ang pag-scroll ko doon. Basang-basa din ako kanina. So I decided to go here. Kaya na confident na. Nakikita nila ako nagsasalita ng ganito. I'm just talking to you. Diba? What can I share about today? It's nice to celebrate your birthdays na mag-isa ka. I think it's a different kind of adventure. What can I share about this year? My realization, or let's say my lesson, to slow down. It's okay to slow down and to organize your thoughts. Hindi naman palagi na alam mo kung ano yung pupuntahan mo. There are times talaga na sobrang slow, tinetest yung patience mo kung hanggang kailan mo kayang maghantay. When you're lost, you feel like ang tagal-tagal ng oras. Like you're keep waiting for something. You don't know what to do. Hindi mo alam kung kailan darating yung bagay na gusto mo. Kailan mangyayari yung bagay na gusto mong mangyari. Grabe yung testing ng patience and faith mo sa ganitong season. But I kinda enjoying it. I'm learning to enjoy this season, and I hope sa mga susunod na buwan, I'll be able to figure out kung ano talaga yung para sa akin. It's nice to just sit down, to slow down, and just have a cup of coffee. Yes. So nice to have this weather. Lagi yan pag birthday ko. Yeah, I hope to make more videos like this and magkwentuhan pa tayo.